Hi everyone. In this video I am going to share the details related to the content and traffic of all my websites for the month of July. So let me get started. So here is the summary of the content update for the month of July. You can see here for the site number 1, actually planned articles were 15, but I was able to push about 15 articles, and the word count is about 23,413 words. That's for site number 1. Site number 2, no work, though there was a plan, but as you know, since that product review update, the site gone down, so not investing any more effort onto site 2 and site 5 for at the moment. So no articles were published. Site 3, just I was able to publish only 4. Again, the writers whom I was engaging were not available for last month, so I slowed down little bit. So few articles, whatever the already written articles were there, those got published, about 4 articles with a 9,000 overall word count. Site number 4, there was some articles we got written last month, so altogether 10 was the plan, and we published 10 articles, so total about 17,000 word count for those 10 articles. And then site 5, as I just said, site is the same as site 2, so no work is going on, no articles published last month. And then site 6 is the new site that I launched couple of months back, and here is where my majority of my effort is going on currently. So in the month of July, again I published another 22 articles, total word count of 35,905 words. So altogether this site, new site, within 3 months it has now 67 articles altogether. And site 7 is the site that I purchased recently, almost after getting all the content rewritten that was there on the site. I now started publishing some new articles, but again scope is very limited, so most likely I may continue this till I hit about a 50 articles and then stop. So for now total about 42 articles are there. Then site 3 is a new addition. If you watch my income report video last month, for the last month that I published few days back, I did mention about some cost towards this particular site. What happened is, I launched this site last year 2020, but there was no any keyword analysis was not done, no quality focus was there for the content. So what the intention was, I want to work on in garden niche and outdoor niche as a long term projects. So I found a domain which I liked at that time, so I just bought the domain. Instead of keeping it idle, I thought I will just launch it with some content so that it will get aged and get crawled in the search engines and all that. So in future I will pick it up. So with that intention, I got about 20-25 articles written, but those are articles like just for the sake of writing. No keyword analysis was done, just some listicle kind of an articles to have some content on the site. That's all. No other intention was there. So obviously those articles are not bringing any traffic, but already nearly a year was passed through, and now because I'm stopped working on site 2 and site 5, I thought that I may get some bandwidth. I will start publishing few articles, if not so many. So with that intention, I picked up now site 8. I published 3 articles in the month of July, overall 8,000 word count. So that's the overall status. If you see, about 3 sites in positive and 4 sites in positive, 4 sites in amber. So overall I think it is balanced progress for the month of July. So the plan here is, I may continue to publish few more articles for the site 1. I am hoping that probably I may be able to hit 300 articles. Beyond that, it may be difficult to find low competition keywords. So till 300 I may try to push it. So that means till probably I may continue for another 3-4 months. That means end of this year most likely. And site 2, no plans for now, unless I see any positive signs. I may not really put any effort into this for site 2. Site 3, I will continue to work, but no aggressive plan, maybe 5 articles, 10 articles in a month as and when I find time. Site 4, this site I am going to stop in the month of most likely August, September, because beyond 100 it is going to be tough for this particular niche to write content, because this is within beauty fashion, this is a micro niche actually. So I am going to stop after 100 articles. Currently you can see 81 are there. I will get another maybe 20 articles if possible in the month of August, or else maybe by September. I will stop working on this and I will let it start picking up the rankings and all that. And site 5 also no work currently until unless I see positive sign. Site 6 I will continue to work till end of this year. I want to publish about 140 150 articles if possible. And then this is a site 6 I am talking about, and then site 7 also there is a limitation. I won't be able to go beyond 50, so most likely I will stop working in the month of August. So if you see here, beyond August, September, only site 1, site 3 and site 6. I will be working only on 3 sites, on these 3 sites, and that too site this site 2, 3 is going to be lean work, maybe 5, 6 very less number of articles. So aggressively only site 1 and site 6, 2 sites. Because of that reason I picked up this one now. I thought this may be right time. I can actually start publishing maybe 5 to 10 articles a month, so that it will start picking up some momentum. As I have come to some logical end of some of the sites, so I thought this is the right time. If possible, I may look at one more site in the month of October. I may launch one more site in the month of October if possible. By then, if I complete the publishing of 100 articles for site 4 and 50 articles for site 7, if I am done completely, and if there are no much of positive signs for site 2 and site 5, then I may actually launch one more site for this year. So that will be add up to total 9 sites in this year. That's is the best that I am thinking about for this particular year. That's the total plan. Okay, let me now take you through the analytics, the traffic related details for all the sites for the month of July. So here you go for just give me a second. Yeah. Okay, this is the content summary. Whatever we have seen there, this is a screenshot from the WordPress. Site 1, 15 articles, as we just discussed. Site 2, no content was published. Site 3, just 4 articles. Site 4, 10 articles. Site 5, no content was published. Site 6, 22 articles. This is the recently launched site. Site 7, 9 articles. This is the recently bought site. Okay, so that's about it. Now here is the traffic. Site 1, again it is consistently growing. That's the happy news. You can see here lifetime traffic. Again there is a upward trend in the month of July also. Overall net to net, if you see here in comparison to the previous 30 days, there is a 10% increase in the page views, about 9% increase in the users. Now traffic page views alone are hitting about 80k per month. That's a good news. That's looking strong, very strong as of now. I hope most likely maybe by end of this year, if everything goes fine, this trend, if trend continues, probably I may hit 100k page views. So I am hoping for that. So that's about site 1. And site 2. Site 2 is it was down for a couple of months, but there was little bit of upwards trend in the month of July. But again, don't go by that completely. There was a one bump. If you see here, July 19th, I think this was a robot hit, where once in a while I get this kind of hits onto the home page. So if you deduct these 400, about 350 visits or views on that particular specific day, then I think it is flat. You can see here total last month only 155 users, then this month 533. In this 533, if you take out this 350, then it is a flat. So nothing much to talk about. It's a flat basically. And site 3 also same story, though it looks upward trend. Actually it is a downward trend this month, as I mentioned in my income report also. In the month of June it was looking very positive, but again it came down in the month of July. more explicitly, there was an algorithm update on the first week of July, and since then the site is actually going down. I am not sure what is the reason, but that is the impact. So, if you exclude this particular bump that happened on July 20, so almost 400 visits if you take out, net to net it is about just about a 450 compared to last month of 620. So, that means 50% down in terms of traffic compared to last month. If you look at, if you exclude this one day robot bump, if you take it out, 50% down compared to last month. That is the status of site 3. So, we will have to see, maybe once this algorithm changes gets settled down, maybe down the line a month or 2, it may come back to again into the positive path, but not sure, we will have to wait and see. Site 4, it is more or less holding on to its trend. You can see overall about it shows 50% growth 30 compared to previous days, but numbers are so less that even small increase also will show huge percentage. So, that means last month it was about most likely it is not showing here, maybe 50% means last month probably it was about 150 or so, and another 70 new users, more users visited the site. Now it is showing 50%. So, in terms of absolute numbers, nothing much, but good thing is it is consistently holding on to the same traffic or some kind of an incremental growth. So, hopefully it is now when the site was launched in the month of February. So, March, April, May, June, July, 5 months old nearly. So, I am expecting maybe another 2 to 3 months of time, they should start showing some positive indications. So, that is for site 4. Site 5, nothing much to talk about again, same flat, don't go by this number of percentage hike, because the overall numbers are so low that even 5 or 6 numbers also will make huge difference in terms of percentage. So, more or less flat. Site 6 is the new site that I launched in the month of May. This is actually looking promising. If you see here, 40% total 268 users in the month of July alone, we can see about nearly 150 users visited, though numbers it looks small, but if for a site with a 2 months old, 2 months of aging, I think this kind of a trend looks to be looking very encouraging. So, I hope it will hold to that positive trend. So, let us see. Then the last one, site 7, this is very exciting. So, you can see here in the month of July, it almost jumped by nearly 100%. So, earlier it was hitting about 1,000 views in terms of views. Now, in the month of July, it hit about nearly 2,500 or so. So, you can see here at the bottom, page views 90% jump. Earlier it was about 1900, last July in the month it was 3600. In terms of users, earlier it was about 1400, and July it is about 3000. So, in terms of users as well as in terms of page views, it is a 100% jump, because I hope the reason is we cleaned up all the old content and also started adding some new articles. All that affected, basically resulted into this kind of a positive growth, but this will have some cap, this can't go unlimited, but looking healthy. It also started bringing some money. If you watched my previous month's income report, so this particular site started bringing about a $70 per month, and it may actually grow further. So, this is about site 7. So, these are all the details related to analytics as well as content of all my niche sites. Those are the details wanted to share with all of you. If you have any specific questions, please ask in the comment section. Thanks for your time. Bye.